Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Friends, today we'll be discussing about the calculation of capacity of underground water tank, that is the storage capacity. So we have a topic how to calculate storage capacity of underground water tank. Okay, here you can see the figure, the water tank is there. So it is built using the brick masonry. Okay, especially in this figure it has some dimensions, that is one is length, either another one is width, and another one is the depth. Okay, here in this figure, okay, the length of this tank is 1.8 meter and length of this width of this tank is 1.5 meter and depth of this tank is 1.2 meter. Okay, so if it is there, okay, so there is no such obstructions are there at the bottom also, so it is purely built on a bed concrete. So here what we will do, we will be calculating the capacity of this tank. Okay, it is nothing but, okay, how much you can store a water in this tank. Okay, that we will calculate here. Okay, length into breadth into depth will be multiplied here. The length is 1.8 meter, breadth is 1.5 meter and depth is 1.2 meter. So here what I will do, 1.8 meter, 1.5 meter and 1.2 meter. I will multiply these things to calculate the volume of this tank, that is the storage capacity of this tank. Okay, before that I need to find out the inner volume of this tank. Here what we'll do, I will multiply 1.8, 1.5 and 1.2. I will be getting 3.24 meter cube. This is an example. Okay, here in this way we will be calculating the volume of this tank. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so the dimensions of this tank is a little bit different, it may be more than 2 meter. Okay, here only we have taken example. Okay, that's why we have taken, these are the imaginary dimensions I have taken here for the calculation. Okay, so the tank carries, okay, or the inner volume of the tank is 3.24 meter cube. Now I will be finding out how much water I can store in this tank. Okay, so water storage capacity, it is nothing but the total volume into 1000. Okay, the density of water, here we are going to store the water, so total volume into density, I'll be getting 3240 liters of water I can store in this tank. Okay, I think you understood how to calculate the capacity. So this is the simple basic example, okay, where the many field engineers or site engineers will find difficulty in the calculation of the capacity of water storage capacity of the tank. Okay, for them, okay, I have made this video. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel, press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Thank you.